Busch Gardens Williamsburg, riding Apollo's Chariot. How are you guys doing? Oh man, we love this coaster. This is one of the very first B&M hyper coasters. Actually, I think it was the first one, wasn't it? Was it the first one? I don't know. Our train of roller coaster nerds is not sure if Apollo's Chariot is the first B&M hyper or not. I think it was. So please post in the comments and let us know if this one was not the first one. Tell us which one is, and if it was the first one, post it in the comments anyway. Just say hello to us. You can say hello to John, you can say hello to Albert, you can say hello to James. Wave hi guys. They would all love you to say hello. And oh my god, we're almost at the top. And we have climbed something like around 200 feet here, and we're gonna drop a lot. Get ready guys, here we go. Oh man, we're gonna flatten out a little bit, and then whoosh, down we go. Ready for the whoosh, here we go. No! Apollo's Chariot here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. How was that? Woo! Oh man, what a great ride. You guys have to come out and ride it. Again, like I said, the very first B&M hypercoaster ever to be built on the planet. And if we're wrong, I'm sure you guys will let us know in the comments, right? Right? Of course you will. All right, bye-bye everybody.